Want to make your Shopify store look exactly the way you want without hiring a developer? In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom section in any Shopify theme in just 5 simple steps. Whether you're using Dawn, Refresh or any other theme, this works like magic. And it takes less than 10 minutes. Hey, this is Sakib from Ecomclips, where we help e-commerce brands simplify tech, scale faster and succeed smarter. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Shopify theme code. Log into your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store and then Themes, then click on the 3-dot menu and hit Edit Code. This is where we'll create our custom code. Step 2. Create a new section. Under the section folder, click Add a new section. Name it something like custom-section.liquid. Shopify will auto-generate a boilerplate file. Feel free to clear it out or start from scratch. Step 3. Add section code. Paste in or write your HTML plus liquid code here. This could be a simple text, image with text, a product showcase or anything dynamic. Once done, click Save. If this is helpful so far, go ahead and hit the like button. It's really helped our channel grow. And stay tuned because in the next 30 seconds, I'll show you the one step that makes this new section look exactly how you want without touching the HTML again. So step 4, adding styling via assets. Go to the asset folder and open or create a CSS file like custom.css. Add your custom styling code here to match your store brand. Link this CSS in your section file if it is not already global. Step 5. Use your custom section in the theme editor. Now head back to your Shopify admin, then online store. Now click on Customize. Navigate to the page you want to edit. Click Add Section and your custom section should be listed. Drag, drop and style it however you want. And here is an example. If you want more Shopify tutorials like this, click on the video on your screen now, where we walk you through how to add Shopify instant notification for your store. And don't forget to subscribe for our weekly tutorials from Ecomclips. See you in the next video. Peace.